Ready to build your website faster and easier? Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Dreamweaver. When the application loads, find the Create section. This is where we will find our website templates. Click on Create New. Next, you will select templates from the right side. Navigation. Dreamweaver offers diverse, pre-designed templates that provide a solid base for your site, all categorized to help you find the perfect fit. Browse through the available templates until you find one you like. Hover over a template of your choice and a preview will appear, allowing you to see how it might look. Once you've chosen your template, double-click to open it. Now you're inside the template editor. Dreamweaver's interface provides tools to customize text, images, colors, and more without coding. Locate elements you want to change and start editing. Change the text by simply clicking and typing. Replace images as needed. Dreamweaver organizes your website files neatly in the Files panel, which is usually on the right side. You can easily manage all of your resources there as you make changes. Remember to save your work frequently. Click on Save as in the File menu. This is when you need to save your edited template in a suitable location on your computer. Finally, preview your website by using the Live View feature, which is what helps you see the final result. This shows you the website's look and feel, and you are done. You have taken the first steps toward creating a website using Dreamweaver.